Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media here in Dubai. I have Muhammed Anas with me from QATE. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the inviting for the Breakbulk event. So actually, I'm from the QATE. So I'm the leading for the engineering divisions and directing from the QATE group.
So tell us a little bit about what you do.
See, actually, QATE is like packaging, lashing, like a sea fastening. That
Okay.
means we are doing service like after the logistics, the freight forwarders, after the like for example, the project cargo movements, we are supporting for the onboard sea fastening, and we are storage plans, and we are assisting the port captain and like vessel captains. So we will do all kind of securing inside the vessels, like a vessel, barge, landing craft, or something, whatever the cargo you have to move. So we are supporting for all kind of
We
security.
need you.
Yes, actually, this is we are securing the complete cargo movements in all GCC area. We are specialized mainly focusing in Jebel Ali Port, Khalifa, Abu Dhabi, Mina, or Mina Zaid, Amria. So we have almost like 155 members, which should be experienced in sea fastening and welding activity, and like fabrication of grillages for the weight distribution inside the vessel, for the engineering, all these kinds of we are doing. We are mainly core in that activity. Same like other divisions, we are handling like a packaging division, which will be like a preservations. For example, we have to move a cargo to US or in Canada. So we are doing all preservations like anti-corrosion, all these kinds of preservations we are supporting for the end users or even like the manufacturers.
Oh, wow. That's, excuse me, so interesting. What kind of cargoes are you handling? What are you seeing these
Even
days?
like silos, we can say pressure vessels, even bulk cargoes like rebars, billets. Even like we can, I can say you more about even skids like packages. It's a weight up to it's 2,500 ton. Also, we are recently moved from UAE port to Houston. So we are regularly into a professional. It should be we are completely focusing in the engineering division as well as the pure calculation based. We are sending the vessels. So that's what our core business in GCC area.
Perfect. All right. So what's ahead for you? What do you have some plans for the next couple of years?
Actually, we are looking for more into the vessel operations, mainly even in Jebel Ali and Khalifa also. We have already have a lot of vessel owners, freight forwarders. They already approached for us for the last previous experience. And 2025, we have amazing as comparing to the breakbulk markets, and even we are capturing more into the customers. Like so, we are hopefully for 26 as well. So I think this is startup for the 26. We have almost like 12 to 13 vessels already in lineup. So we are into the more projects. So let's hope for the more growth in this breakbulk.
Yeah.
So our networking also more.
Absolutely. That's so great. So tell me how has your experience been this year at Breakbulk Middle East?
As comparing to the last year, we took the more space over here this time, which is because our more faculty and more members to be increased. Even sales for the marketing, we have to concentrate more in the breakbulk area. So it will be fantastics. And I can tell you, there is a turnkey, like all over the world, we are together in the same media for the marketing strategy. So if I have a lot of connections is increasing, even day by day, the people are gathering all together in the one umbrella. So it should be fantastic event. Even like we are already participating in Europe as well. So
Oh, great.
Breakbulk, I can tell you, is a great support for us for the growth, for our essential growth in our firm. So hopefully we will take the more space over space as comparing. So we are growing along with the breakbulk also. They're supporting that.
That is excellent news. And so I look forward to seeing you in Rotterdam in June.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then next year. So
I think I heard that you are startup in the Asia as well for in Singapore.
yes,
So,
in November. Are you
yeah.
thinking about Singapore?
We are already in discussion with my group team as well. That so
Excellent.
hopefully we would like to participate in
Yeah.
Asia sector as well. Yeah.
It'll be a very exciting time.
Sure.
And we'd love to have you with us.
Yes.
All
Yes,
right.
man. Yeah, all right. Yeah.
Great. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Yeah, sure.